In this video, I will show you how to cash out $750 on Cash App for free and transfer it back to your bank account. So first, make sure you have the official Cash App installed from the App Store or Google Play Store and that your account is fully set up. Now, Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app that allows you to manage your cash balance, use savings, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, receive payments, and spend money with your Cash App card. But before you can cash out, you will need money available in your Cash App balance. You can add funds from your linked bank account, receive payments from other users, get paid through direct deposit, or even transfer funds from other Cash App features. Now, once you have the amount you want to withdraw, go to your cash balance, then tap Cash Out. Now you have to enter the amount you want to cash out. Cash App will give you two transfer options. The first option is a standard transfer, which is free and usually arrives in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. The second option is an instant transfer. This sends the money immediately but also includes a fee. Now, to avoid paying a fee, you can simply select the standard transfer option, confirm the transaction, and then complete the security verification. Once finished, the money will be removed from your Cash App balance and sent to your linked bank account. And that's how you can cash out $750 for free from your Cash App account. That is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.